Example 1. Using the centroid of a triangle. P is the centroid of triangle QRS shown below. PT equals 5. So let's go ahead and label PT as 5. We need to find RT and RP. Now, since P is the centroid of the triangle, we know that the longer part of the segment is going to be 2/3 of the shorter part. So we know that RP is 2/3 of RT. Now we can infer a lot of different things from this. We can also infer that PT must make up 1/3 of RT. So if you think about this logically, RT can be split up into 3s, okay? So think of, PT is 1/3, RP is 2/3. If PT is 1/3 and it is 5, RP must be 2 of those 5s. So this whole distance here must be 10. 5, 5, and 5. So RP is 10. Then in order to get the whole distance RT, we need to just add 10 plus 5, which is 15. So always think of the median in thirds. So if you think of this, I've kind of drawn a little sketch here. If you think of this in thirds, well, the entire median would be 3/3 of its own self, right? 3/3 is 1, because the entire median is a whole median. Well, if the smaller section is 1/3 and it's given to us as 5, then the other part of the median would have to be 2 of those 1/3 sections, which would be 10. Let's say you were given the 2/3 section. So let's pretend that they gave us a median and they gave us the measure CD was, let's say, 20. Well, if we knew that 2/3 of CE is 20, then all we would have to do to find the 1/3 portion would be to cut the 2/3 portion in half. And then all we would need to do to find the entire thing would be to add the 2/3 portion to the 1/3 portion, which would be a total of 30. So it really helps to think of these medians as being in thirds, in sections of 3s.